I can report to you that we've performed a penis transplantation on a young man who lost his penis during ritual circumcision. He had a very bad complication and his penis became gangrenous. This happened at the age of 18 and he's now 21 years old. This is part of a study that we perform at Stellenbosch University, where we investigate the feasibility of doing penile transplants for such patients. These patients are very young and therefore they are extremely distraught when they lose a penis at the age of 18 or 21. The penis was harvested from a donor whose family consented, and we transplanted it in a 9-hour operation to the recipient, who is currently now 3 months after the operation, doing very well. He's very happy.